Hello my lovelies, I am back with another delicious video. Today we're going to be making Salchichas Guisadas, Panamanian style, or stewed sausages. So let's begin. Hope you enjoy. I start off by chopping up 2 sausages. I have them smoked flavor because it's going to give it an extra kick to the recipe. This recipe, I'm doing it for 2 people. However, if you're going to have more, then you should double up on the ingredients. I have my pan over medium heat with some oil. I'm adding in some garlic, and now I'm going to add my sausages. I'm going to start to brown them up. So when browning the sausages and the garlic, I like to be extra careful and making sure that I keep an eye on it at all times, because in a split of a second, I could burn my garlic or my sausages, and then I just ruined my recipe. It's taken me a long time to master this, but basically around 2 or 3 minutes should be enough to give it a nice golden brownish color. I'm also going to add the vegetables that I have pre-chopped and diced, which is some onions, some culantro or cilantro, some green bell peppers, and also some tomatoes. I love color. I think it's very exciting and it makes it really tasty and fun. So if you would want to add some red onions, some yellow or orange or red bell peppers, go ahead and do so. I want to stir everything up and make sure that all the flavors are incorporated. So for this next step, I kind of cheated a little bit by using a prepared Panamanian sauce that you can buy at the grocery store here in Panama. However, if you don't have access to this, then you can make it on your own. I didn't do it because I was lazy that day. So basically this sauce consists of tomato paste, onions, culantro or cilantro, some garlic, some bell peppers, salt, a dash of black pepper, a dash of sugar, a dash of hot sauce, and some annatto paste or achiote paste. You put this all in the blender until it becomes this nice thick sauce, and you add it to your sausage. That's it. Also, we want to stir this very well. We place the lid and we let it simmer for 10 minutes. And there you have it, some delicious salchicha guisada, super easy. This is a very, very typical Panamanian dish. We like to have it with many different sides. In the picture, you can see that there is some bollo, which is made out of corn. We also like having it with tortilla frita, fried tortilla. We like having it with empanadas. We like having it with hojaldres. All of these things that I've mentioned, I will be making a video in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.